Standing tall since the early decades of the 20th century and steadily sailing through the changes in technology, this institution that we're going to feature today is the third oldest institute that got converted into an IIT. Welcome to College Suggest. And in this video, let's take a quick look at the Indian Institute of Technology, Dhanbad, or the Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications on your favorite college details, college comparisons, courses, careers, and so much more. As always, we will only consider the facts that are submitted by the college to the NIRF for the 2019 ranking. We'll leave the link in the description below. The Indian Institute of Technology, Dhanbad, formerly known as the Indian School of Mines, was established in 1926. It was started as an institution specializing in mining education, but today it has grown into a technical institution with various academic departments. In 2016, this institution was declared to be an institution of national importance with the status of IIT. Let's analyze the score of this institution under different parameters as set by the NIRF. Teaching, learning, and resources have scored 63.62%. Research and professional practices have scored 59.12%, and graduation outcomes has scored 70.03%. Outreach and inclusivity have scored 38.12%, and perception has scored 35.31%. Considering all of these, the institution has scored a total of 58.18%. With this score, IIT Dhanbad has slightly moved down to the 15th rank on the NIRF table. Though there's been a mild drop, this institution keeps working on educating and training its manpower under various disciplines of engineering, technology, management, and applied sciences. IIT Dhanbad is located in the mineral-rich region of India, Dhanbad, Jharkhand. The nearest railway station is the Dhanbad Junction, which is just 3 kilometers away. The closest airport with international connectivity is the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, which is 270 kilometers away. IIT Dhanbad's campus spreads over an area of 393 acres and has all the facilities of a world-class academic institute. Undoubtedly, the institution has a mesmerizing environment that motivates its students and faculty to keep spreading knowledge. The Central Library is the heart of this institution and provides direct academic and research support to all departments. Over the years, the library has developed several databases of books, journals, theses, dissertations, conference proceedings, and so on. Currently, there are over 1.4 lakh books, e-books, and also subscriptions to various magazines and journals. The institute has 7 boys and 4 girls hostels. Every student at IIT Dhanbad is given a spacious room on a twin-sharing basis. Each room is equipped with modern electrical ports, a fan, a chair, a table, and a cot. Every hostel has its own history and unique facilities, but all of them have basic facilities like a mess, a canteen, juice shops, a stationery shop, TV room, and laundry facilities. The institute has modern and standard sports facilities for various games. There are facilities for badminton, cricket, volleyball, squash, basketball, tennis, boxing, chess, carom, athletics, and football. The institute admits students to UG and PG programs through JEE Advanced and GATE scores respectively. MSc admissions are made through the candidate score in the Joint Admission Test for MSc, held at an all-India level. Being one of the prominent institutions, the students are expected to have very good scores to get a seat. IIT Dhanbad offers 13 UG, 4 dual degree, 24 PG, and 5 MSc programs in various disciplines. IIT Dhanbad has an approved intake of 824 UG seats, 88 dual degree seats, 927 PG, and 706 MSc seats. The overall number of students pursuing their engineering degree is 5,702, amongst which 89.11% are boys and 10.89% are girls. There are 621 students from Jharkhand, 5,016 students from other parts of the country, and 65 students from abroad, making it extremely diverse. Research programs bring in a large number of research scholars. There are 772 full-time and 754 part-time students pursuing their PhD degree. And in the last year, 63 full-time and 36 part-time scholars graduated with a doctorate. The institution has shown a good improvement in both its UG and PG graduations and has maintained this at a good level. The UG graduation is consistently maintained at 99.04% for the past 2 years, and 1.69% of these students chose to study further. Dual degree graduations have progressed to 93.28%, and 3.2% of these students decided to go on for higher education. PG graduations are also consistently maintained across the years. 86.57% of the students graduated within the minimum stipulated time, out of which 5.16% of students decided to go on for higher studies. MSc graduations have shown a mild improvement by graduating 87.43% of the students, out of which 5.62% opted to study further. While graduations have improved, the placements paint a very different picture. The UG placement percentage has dropped to 72.9%. A total of 592 students were placed for a median salary package of 7.95 lakhs per annum. Dual degree students have improved to 69.42% and 84 students were employed. The students were offered 7.95 lakhs as a salary package. The PG placements have also shown improvement by progressing to 36.69%. 229 students were placed and offered Rs 5.75 lakhs per annum as a median salary. The MSc program has shown a drop in its placements. 48 students were placed with a percentage of 31.78%. The placed students were offered a salary of 12 lakhs per annum. Some programs have shown improvement in their placements, however, the stats are below average. Some of the companies who hire students from IIT Dhanbad are Flipkart, JCB, Byju's, ONGC, Reliance, Samsung, Deloitte, Siemens, Uber, Wipro, and many more. The friendly and motivating faculty members of IIT Dhanbad carve out the best in every student. There are 333 professors in total, out of which 91.59% hold a doctorate. The institute has a ratio of 1 faculty member for every 17 students. The research and development activities drive strategic plans and provide guidance across academic and research programs, fostering new and interdisciplinary research initiatives and collaborations. The number of patents published in the recent years has been reduced to 1, and the number of patents granted has been increased to 1. With all the research programs the institution takes up, it has received over 47 crores as sponsored research funding and over 20 crores as consultancy project funding. The institution spends a good amount of money as their capital and operational expenses for the overall development of the institution and its students. Last year, over 40 crores was spent as the annual capital expenditure, out of which 50.95% was spent on the creation of capital assets. As operational expenditure, over 226 crores was spent, out of which a huge portion was spent on the maintenance of academic infrastructure. Shrijan is the annual cultural festival of IIT Dhanbad. It is a 3-day-long event held in the month of March every year. It draws a footfall of more than 30,000 students from across 100 institutes in the country. The festival includes cultural, technical, management, as well as gaming events. There are various other academic events that are also organized in order to keep the students updated with the current trends of science and technology. Looking at all the facts, the graduation percentages really amaze us, with constant improvement across all the programs. While the placements have shown considerable progress compared to previous years in a few programs. Unlike several other institutions, IIT Dhanbad shows a very good interest in research programs and keeps encouraging its students and faculty to take part in various projects. The faculty members stand as firm pillars in the development of the institute and bring out the very best in their students. With a vision to be a nationally and internationally acclaimed premier institution, IIT Dhanbad proves itself to be one of the most sought-after destinations for higher technical education in India. What other interesting college reviews would you like to see? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and for more information visit collegesuggest.com.